The energy transfer is so efficient, the pins fly low and fast.
It looks like a simple solid sphere. But you are wrong.
From liquid chemistry to a perfect strike. Inside, there is a hidden engine, the weight block.
Welcome to the Bowling Ball Factory.
It starts with the core. We need mass, not just plastic.
A high-density powder is mixed with a binder to create a heavy sludge. This strange shape is the secret. It is designed to be off balance.
The mixture is poured into the core mold. It is incredibly dense.
Out comes the weight block. It looks like an ancient artifact.
Its asymmetrical shape creates the torque that makes the ball hook. They drill a small hole at the top for a crucial component.
This is the pin. It marks the center of the core forever.
It allows the pro shop to know exactly how to drill the finger holes later.
The core needs its shell. We prepare the spherical mold.
The core is suspended in the exact center of the sphere. The mold is clamped shut with tremendous force.
This is the coverstock material, reactive polyurethane resin.
To give the ball its personality, we need color. Lots of it.
Each batch is hand-mixed to create specific color combinations.
The colors flow together, creating the signature swirl pattern.
It fills the void around the core, encapsulating it completely. The chemical reaction is exothermic Fröhlichs, generating intense heat as it hardens. In just a few minutes, the liquid becomes a rock-hard solid. When opened, it doesn't look like a bowling ball yet. It is rough and ugly. A saw quickly lops off the excess material. The ball emerges with a large sprue, the leftover stem from the filling hole. At this stage, they look dull, scratched, and completely unappealing. To make it perfectly round, it enters the precision lathe. It spins at thousands of revolutions per minute.
A diamond cutter shaves off the rough skin.
This process reveals the true, vibrant colors hidden underneath. It is now a perfect sphere, accurate to within 1/1000th of an inch. Next, computer-controlled routers carve the brand logo.
Every ball gets a unique birth certificate.
The logo is flooded with paint. It looks like a mess.
But a quick wipe reveals the crisp design underneath.
Now begins the multi-stage sanding process. Low-grit pads remove the deep scratches from the lathe. Step by step, the surface becomes smoother.
For some balls, we stop here. A matte finish hooks earlier.
Texture equals friction. Friction equals curve.
But for maximum length, we need the polish.
High-speed buffing generates heat, melting the surface slightly. The result is a glass-like finish that glides through the heads.
Inspectors check for any pinholes or scratches.
Locating the exact center of gravity is critical for drilling.
A tiny punch mark tells the pro shop where the core sits.
Bagged, boxed, and ready to roll.
Before shipping, we test the radius of gyration, or RG.
But how does it actually perform on the lane?
This number tells us how fast the core wants to start revving up. A water bath confirms the exact heavy spot of the ball.
We also measure the differential fric, the imbalance that creates the hook potential.
This mark is crucial for the pro shop driller later.
But the factory is only half the journey. The ball needs holes.
Every bowler's hand is unique. The layout determines the ball's reaction.
Using the pin marker, the driller maps out the perfect leverage point.
The drill cuts through the cover stock and into the core itself.
You can actually see the different layers exposed by the drill.
Now let's see physics in action on the lane.
The lane isn't just wood. It's covered in an invisible oil pattern.
Phase 2, the hook. Friction engages, and the core takes over.
The asymmetrical core flips over, generating massive torque. The release creates high revolutions per minute. Phase 1, the skid. The ball hydroplanes over the thick oil.
It hits the pocket with 6 degrees of entry angle.
Boom! Perfect strike.
The energy transfer is so efficient, the pins fly low and fast. These oil rings prove the ball was flaring poise, exposing fresh surface to the lane.
From a bucket of sludge to the king of the lanes.
It's a perfect blend of chemistry, physics, and manufacturing.
Are you a pro or a gutter ball champion? Tell us your high score below.
I'm Huiz. See you in the next factory.